How to fix Microsoft sign-in error 1200 something went wrong. Hello everyone and let's get started. If you are trying to access the Microsoft account but have been getting the sign-in error 1200, it could be because of the credentials issues. In this case, here are the 3 troubleshoot that you can apply. To get started with, open the Run tab. For this, press in Windows plus R and then type in %local app data % and hit the OK button. This will open the app data's local folder on your file explorer. Once that is done, you will see this interface. Hereby, double-click on the Microsoft folder and from there, you need to search for the credentials folder. You have to now permanently delete the credentials folder. For this, you can click Shift plus Delete key. Once that is done, let's move on to the next solution. For this, we have to delete or clear the cache and cookies from the browser. For this, go to the browser, click on the 3 dots on the top right corner, then go to the settings. After that, you need to go to privacy and security from the left side panel. Once you tap on it, then after click on clear browsing data. Once you tap on clear browsing data, you need to also take on the password and other items so that you can delete it from both basic and advanced browsing data. After that, click on clear data and you're good to go. Likewise, for the last solution, again open the Run tab and type in msconfig and hit the OK button. Once the interface is open, you will see the settings. Now click on the Services tab and then click on Hide All Microsoft Services. After this, disable all what is available, tap on Apply and then on OK. Now, if you try to access the Microsoft, it should be good to go. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.